We live at Sun Arena in Manlane, Pretoria at Java's one-man show. It was great. It was great. It was epic, man. Amazing. Now it's finished. Now we have to drive back home. We enjoyed every moment being here. It was hectic. The ladies, the cars, the women, the people. I'm telling you, everything was epic. Like, he filled it up. He filled it up. Like, it was filled. Thank you, Java. We thank you, man, for every moment. It was great, man. It was great. Salute, man. Salute, man. No, we will follow you. Wherever we go, man, we will follow you. You deserve it. You deserve it. Sonke phethu. Sonke Java. Sabonga. Siqhaye udlugodo bana ivinga phethu. Udlugodo phethu yabona phethu yabona ikesheva phethu umsulu. Yabona. Basopa skinny chin na. Ngeninsizwa manje. Usiqwayelo abantu all the way from Uganda uhlala ola ePitoli. That's why nje support to Java. Thank you, man. Siyabonga kakhulu.